The following clip is from a previously recorded episode of the Cherish Each Moment podcast. Awesome. Someone commented on a video, one of my dethatching videos. I've done several now. It's kind of a fun topic for me, and it's a popular topic in the community. People are drawn to that, and rightly so. It's really fascinating, and it's definitely one of the more interesting things that happens, and one of the more oddly satisfying things that you can do with your lawn. Somebody commented that the username was SW. They reached out to me and asked if it would be possible to collect the thatch with one of those lawn sweepers, like the leaf sweepers that you can get from Home Depot and other places. And I thought that was a pretty interesting idea, and something that I thought, well, I might try that, because I was planning on dethatching the backyard, and my dad has one of those lawn sweepers, and he uses it to collect the leaves that fall off the tree in his backyard. And I thought I could go borrow that and give it a try. And so I did. And it worked out great. It was awesome. I wish I would have more of a fresh reaction and review of this for you for this podcast. But if you haven't seen the video, you have to go check that out. But it worked really, really well. And one of the best things about it is the bag that it throws all of the material into is much bigger than the bag on a lawnmower, especially a small lawnmower. The Time Master has a pretty decent sized bag, but even compared to the Time Master, this is a bigger bag. And when you collect your thatch with the mower without having a sweeper to help you, I find that when you make your passes, you have to do multiple passes because you leave material behind, because the mower just can't handle all of that material at once. The bag fills up really quick, and it's just a lot of back and forth to empty the bag. But the sweeper takes that tediousness out of the equation. It gets all the heavy stuff off the surface, and then once you're done with that pass, you can then use your mower to vacuum up the rest, and then you have to empty your mower bag much, much less than you would have having not used a lawn sweeper. Now, the stinky part about it is those lawn sweepers are not cheap. They cost more than they should, especially the Scott's ones. I don't think that they're worth a couple $100, I think is what they go for. I don't think that they're worth that. It's all plastic. But everything is overpriced right now, and that's just the way things are. But if you can find one on the used market, or if you have a friend or family member or neighbor that is willing to let you borrow it, highly recommend giving it a try. So that was a cool thing for me to try out, and a nice surprise, really. So I think I will continue to use that in the future, and I definitely want to try using it on the front yard, because there is a clearance between the sweeper and the ground, and you can adjust the height of it. And I had mine, I think I had it all the way down. I can't remember. Pretty sure I did. I want to try it on the front yard to see how it does on the shortcut grass, and see if there's any way I can make it effective on the front yard. So we'll see. But definitely worth a try, for sure.